Happy New Year to everyone. My name is Vusi Loveness Mazibuko. I'm running for Lesedi Athletics Club. Ama-plans wami for this year sengiwabeke kahle ne sengibhalansile ukuthi okay ngizotraina kasona ngizoyenza sona. So ngizoqala ngokuthi ngitrainele for ama-tracks and field because azoqala soon kungasikudala. So into engizospecialize kakhulu kuyo ngizospecialize ku-speed kakhulu because ama-tracks and field adinga i-speed. Then after that-ke ngizobe sengazi ukuthi ngitrainela ama-cross countries but ngizotholakala nakuma-road running, khona ama-road running engizowagijima. So ama-mistakes bengiwayenza last year angeke ngiwaphinde this year because I learned from my mistakes. So ngizofocus-a then ngingayenzi ama-mistakes and ngiyabonga kakhulu ucoach wami, ucoach Gwena. Ngiyayibona improvement engiyenzayo ne. So i-training program anginikeza yona ngizoyilandela like very strictly ne. If like kuzosha isikhathi sokuthi manje ngiyatrain, alihara ukuthi ngiyekela yonke into like ngifocus ku-training. So ngizoqhubeka ngidle like healthy food ne. Ukudla engikudlayo ngiyakukhetha, angidli yonke into because okunye nokuthi mangikudla kungidisturb like yabo ku-system yami vele yabo. So that's why ngithi ngiyakhetha ukudla ngizodla healthy then into engizostika kuyo vele kuba i-training yami-ke ngizobe ngisebenzisana naye-ke uKnowledge Nyathi. Sijwayele ukuthi simbize nge-high speed limit ne. So ngizobe ngisebenzisana naye sizobonisana ukuthi sitraina kanjani nakanjani. So ngiyabonga kakhulu i-support engiyitholayo ebantwini mostly like ukubonga kakhulu i-support engiyitholayo eklabhini. So ngithola i-support eningi kakhulu. So ngiyabonga kuwo wonke amagama abantu abanginika wona nalawo vele abangitshela wona ukuthi mfana kumele wenze sona. So la ngenza ama-mistakes khona then ngizolungisa kuyo yonke into. I promise ukuthi this year I won't repeat the same mistake. So ngiyabonga kakhulu, sale kahle, ngiyanithanda kakhulu. Sharp.